Okay, so today I want to talk about the Revelator IO 24 from PreSonus and the headphone jack output. I've connected the device using USB-C cable directly to the interface USB-C port with a official Apple USB-C cable, and we have the headphone output setting connected to the dial. And here we have the Zoom Q8 recorder, which is configured to record the two separate channels on the input jacks. Here we see the output level metering, and we can see there is some signal coming out all the time, even though the headphone is set to 0. Now, what happens if we change the headphone level? Now we're at minimal level. We're going to change the sampling rate. This is 88 kilohertz. This is 96 kilohertz. 44 kilohertz. Now we hear a intense high-pitched sound. I'm gonna play a video. Mind that the headphone output is set to 0.
Chasing shadows through the night.
Now there's no noise.
Whispers in the dark, tap to weary heart.
Now the noise is back again.
Tell you from twisted lies.
And the noise is back again.
You got your problems, but nobody's
And now the noise is gone.
perfect anyway, so we're gonna solve them.
And now the noise is back. Now let's go to 48 kilohertz.
I'm gonna take away the pain. You're a broken heart covered in scars. You've lost your way. Yeah, you got your problems, but I'm gonna love you just the same. It's useless trying to get through to you. It's just useless. Taking over, but I'll never let it pull you under.
And back.